our little contribution to those heroes who died, the Ulster Volunteer Force and many others who died at the Battle of the Somme. This song, which Fiona's going to sing you, was written by a gentleman from Ahadui who is called Mr. James Wilson, and he's a great Ulster man and has Ulster at his heart all the time. And the thesis of the song is about a young widow who's just lost her husband, and she's got a little boy to bring up on her own, and she's lamenting the fact that she's going to be on her own for life with this child. And she was from a little village or townland outside Ballymena called Craigywarren, and this song is simply called the Craigywarren song. Here we go.
It's Papa Quinn and Craigywarren, no Lazarus, disturb a crowd. We cheer them off at Fender Station. The flower of Ulster marched on, and off they went for king and empire. The song took all their blood and might, their leathers greet and the feathers drinking. I knew a widow named Magherafelt. It's powerful quick and Craigywarren, but wished my wind falls in the night. His feathers lie and we pop they bloom. That wee cub was his heart's delight. Where the wind has me feather, and tell them all the lads say loyal. They'll sing and play and raise a ruction. The gun will heal us, powerful wind. I'll make the lads a Craigywarren. I'll make the lads, oh yeah. We cheered them off at Fender Station. The flower of Ulster marched on.
Thank you very much. That's on one of our CDs, I think, which you can have over there. You see that little kiosk there? Sitting in there is Mrs. Muriel Quinn, who pays us and taught us that money isn't everything. But if you'd like a souvenir of tonight's performance, a quick commercial, they're on sale over there, CDs and tapes. CDs are £10, tapes £5, and that's as low as we can go. They're usually 12 and 15, but